Dear students, let's see a question from topic strength of materials. A bar is subjected to different cases of loading, and one of them is self weight, and the second case, the same amount of weight is being imposed as an axial load on the bar, and it is required to compare the deformations in both the cases. So first is, let's say that if the bar is subjected to axial load, if that is the case, then the deformation or elongation can be calculated very simply. Elongation delta will be given by WL by AE. This is case number one, or I should say delta when it is delta in case of axial. Next case is due to self weight. So for self weight, the deformation is expressed as delta is equal to W into dx divided by AE integral 0 to L. Now, instead of writing W, we would express W as weight density gamma, which is density into G, that is acceleration into gravity. So weight density into area into length we write, but here we are considering this for x portion of length. So gamma into A into x will be the expression for W. So if we write it once again, this is gamma into A into x into dx whole divided by AE, it would be 0 to L. Don't cancel A out of here. So we can write this as gamma into A into integration of x dx is x square by 2 divided by AE. And this would be gamma into A into L square divided by 2 times of AE. And this would be gamma into A into length is actually W. So W is W is product of weight density into area into length. So this comes out to be as W into L divided by 2EA. Now this is gamma due to self weight. Gamma due to self weight is equal to gamma due to axial load into 1 by 2. So if you compare the ratio of gamma self weight by gamma axial, it is equal to half. So option C is the answer.